Hi guys, welcome back to a quick trade recap video. Today is the 25th of the 6th, 2024. We've had two great trades. One was a win, one was a break even. I'm going to go through them both for you now and explain why we entered and why we took profit and so on. So hopefully it's of use. So the first trade was an inverse that was called out by Johnny this morning in the live Discord group. This was an inverse strategy trade. We had taken liquidity, we'd swept liquidity from here, which was the Asia low. So this was London Open, if I mentioned that. So London Open, we swept liquidity from Asia. And what we then done was inverse this fair value gap. So the first area of interest would have been here. And then secondly, these highs and so on as you're moving up. The trade actually played out because there was very few pullbacks. We were able to trail the stop loss up and only eventually being stopped out just on this pullback here, which was left the trade as a 1 to 16, which is a fantastic RR for trade. So that was this morning. Date is the 25th of the 6th. It was London Open, sweep, inverse of a fair value gap, and then trailing the stop loss up. The second trade we've just taken was during New York Open. Let's just get the chart ready for you. So we had the London session high, which was here, and the London session low, which was there. Once we had opened with New York, which was this price here, we come down, we took a little bit of liquidity, but then we went up and we cleared the session high liquidity. So from there, we've now come down, we broke structure here. So we've broken structure to the downside and a fair value gap was left just there. So the entry was on the bottom of that fair value gap with the stop loss just above to protect that high. Unfortunately, what happened was we were tagged into the trade. We moved up. How we didn't get stopped out, I don't know, but most of the guys were still in. Prices then started to move away. Now, price action hasn't been the best. As you can see here, we were in this huge range for hours. We've then opened New York, and then after we'd entered, we started to get this very patchy pricing. So what happened, we come down, I'll zoom in. This low did not get broken by these candles. As you can see there, the candle close on here is almost exactly in line with the wick here. Because we didn't get a close there, that made me starting to doubt that we were actually going to be pushing any lower. So a few of the guys had taken profits around here. I had left my stop loss here and hadn't taken any partials. This low would have been a target for some for either partials, take profit, or moving to break even. I hadn't done either or any of those, but I know some of the guys did. Price started to move up. When we got to here, I then moved to a break even because I really wasn't confident that we were going to be going back down again. The target, just out of interest, the news low would have been a target, and then the session low would have been a target, and then ultimate, or the ultimate target would have been the London low, so the previous session's low. But as you can see, we've taken off to the upside again. So after being tagged in, we moved away. You had a chance there, say, to take profits partials. We've moved away, and everyone is now out of the trade for either a profit or a break even. Or I think someone might have got stopped out because of stop loss placement. But they're the two trades for today. Hopefully that's of use. We trade live every day on the Discord group. Link's going to be in the description. We trade NQ, London Open, New York Open. It's completely free. Pop over, say hello, be lovely to see you. If you don't want to do that and you've got a question, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.